For our second example, we want to find the probability of drawing a jack from a standard deck of 52 cards. Now, something that always surprises me when I teach this stuff is how many students are unfamiliar with things like these decks of cards, or even the dice rolls for that matter. They're very much classical examples for the types of problems we're working with here. So it's important that you build some basic understanding of what's going on here, what sort of problems we're working from with these things, what the basic properties that we have to go on are when we're dealing with these. For example, that if you want to figure out the probability of getting a jack, what you have to understand is that in a standard deck of cards, there are 4 suits. And for each of those 4 suits, there is one unique card in each of the families. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Jack, Queen, King, and Ace. So in particular, if we're trying to find the probability of getting a Jack from that deck of 52 cards, well, we have to understand that within that deck, there are 4 Jacks, and assuming a standard deck, 52 cards total. So that's our probability. If you want to simplify that down, we could also think of that as being the probability that we select the one Jack of any of our given suits, because you got 4 options in there. So we could reduce that down to 1 out of 13, or if we want, we can reduce that to a decimal as well, but in this case, I think the fraction is a bit more instructive.